In this video, I am going to teach you how to add link in card.co. So if you want to add a link in your card.co website, what you can do is you first need to head over to their site, which is card.co. And then from in there, you have in here these two options. You can either click onto this choose a starting point wherein you can actually design a template and only sign up once you publish it. Now, if you already done that and you already have an account, you can click onto this login option. So since I already have an account, let me click onto this login. Once you have logged in, you can see in here this part. Just head over and click onto the site that you want to edit and click onto this pencil icon. Now from in there, this should be able to open that. So in this part, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto these options right here. So you can either add a link through text or through buttons. So we have in here those two. For example, we have the text for the landing page and we have in here a button. You can click onto this text and then after that, you can just input in here a square bracket on the part that you want to add it. Then input right here a close or open bracket and then input right here the actual URL that you want to add. So let's head over and add in here this and then close bracket. Now as you can see, it's been recognized as a link. You can see that there's an underline for that. Now if you want to do this on your button, you can click onto this button right here, then expand it, and then under this you can see the URL. You can see in here all of the allowed URL types. So you can just input right here the URL that you want. Let's input right here the HTTPS. And then after that, just save it and then click onto this publish option in order to publish it. So that's how you add link in card.co. Hope we helped.